My name is Nicholas Racz, Senior Partner at Keystate Capital. We recently joined the Trust Over IP Foundation as a steering committee member, and it was pretty easy to facilitate the transition into the LFDT structure due to how interconnected the entire space is, right? And also, with Trust Over IP's heritage and digital identity and with governance frameworks, how they so clearly match the actual utility of blockchains and CBDCs in particular. These sort of utilities are absolutely in need for public key infrastructure at scale, which is actually the reason why we're a part of Trust Over IP to begin with. There's a series of repos called the Key Event Receipt Infrastructure, KERI specs, which essentially allow for the creation of the world's first and only truly scalable public key infrastructure, right? For digital public infrastructure that is coming, right? A lot of these national and international entities are in need of these things in order to facilitate this new possibilities that come alongside programmable money and all the other utilities that crystallize alongside these kind of CBDC-like use cases. So yeah, we're definitely interested in facilitating infrastructure. We're just trying to essentially incept a new way in which people should manage data. The very first day when Jim came out the gate, guns blazing, talking about just these key pain points that he's talking about that members of LFDT are uniquely positioned to actually provide solutions for, right? The networking opportunities between everyone there, everyone's an expert in their field. They have great insight, they're extremely earnest, and they're willing to share both accolades and even times in which they failed, right? And I think that's something that's quite important, right? When you're trying to build something of this scale, you have to acknowledge the times in which, mistakes have been made, because that's the only way you really learn anything. So yeah, the LFDT is, the whole institution is well considered, and I'm grateful for its existence.